Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of full stack development. Whether you're a coding enthusiast or just curious about what full stack devs do, stick around because we've got some juicy insights for you. But before we get into it, let me share something super cool with you. This video is brought to you by Hostinger, your go-to platform for hassle-free web hosting. Whether you're building your first website or scaling up your online presence, Hostinger has the tools you need to succeed. Check out the link in the description for some sweet deals. All right, let's break down full stack development. In plain terms, imagine you're building a house. The full stack developer is like the architect, but also the one who lays the foundation, paints the walls, and installs the plumbing. They handle both the look and the functionality of websites and apps. Now, what does it take to become a full stack developer? Well, first off, you need to be a problem solver extraordinaire. You'll encounter bugs and glitches, but it's all part of the fun. Think of it as digital detective work. And don't worry if you're new to coding. There's a treasure trove of resources out there to help you get started. From online courses to forums where you can ask questions, the tech community is incredibly supportive. But here's the kicker: the learning never stops. Seriously, the tech landscape is always evolving, so you've got to stay on your toes. Whether it's picking up a new programming language or diving into the latest framework, there's always something new to explore. So there you have it, a peek into the world of full stack development. Whether you're passionate about creating beautiful designs or love getting your hands dirty with code, there's a place for you in this exciting field. And if you're ready to take the plunge and launch your own projects, don't forget to check out Hostinger for reliable web hosting. Thanks for hanging out with us, and until next time, happy coding.